Oh, the binary trap. Yeah, this is a great question. So the binary trap is basically like a prison. When you feel like you're trapped between yes or no, black or white, do or don't, it can feel like rock in a hard place. Literally, you're squeezed in the middle. So the way to break that trap, right, to get out of that prison of I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that, so I'm going to freeze, I'm going to avoid it, is a simple exercise. So this is terrible. I'm not an artist, as you can tell. But simply draw option one and draw option two, right? This you'll have to do it bigger, do it how it works for you, but write down the two options, right? And then draw two or three circles around it. And as you move out from the center, out through those rings that you've drawn, that doesn't have to be a big step, right? It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Just play with words, play with ideas on how you could just move away from that absolute has to be this. What could you do in each rung? Just try and go a little further. Play off the inner rungs, keep going out, and as you go outward, just expand your thinking. Just let go of the idea that it has to be that thing or that thing, and just see what around both of those options you can tweak, play with, turn, modify to come up with some different ideas. You are not stuck. Anything is possible, right? I really want you to wrap your head around the fact that anything is possible. Now, some things might take longer. Some things might feel harder. Some things might be scarier. But they're all possible within reason, right? They're all possible. So this exercise is really powerful and it won't happen instantly, but it's really powerful at helping you break free of those two, right? A, B, I'm shackled, I'm chained to those two options. And that little exercise is a great way to start, right? Getting some freedom from those two chains that have you caught in the middle and not able to move.